Hello viewers, my name is MWC Emmanuel. Welcome to my channel MWC Online Math and Physics. In this video, we are going to solve this question first, permutation and combination. So they solve the following. Solve the following. 7 factorial over 3 factorial 4 factorial. Number 2, 8 factorial over 5 factorial. Now, I have explained what factorial mean in our last video. If you have been following us, I've explained that factorial, this sign means factorial. And 0 factorial is what? Is 1. So 1 factorial is equivalent to 1 times 0 factorial, which is equal to 1 times 1, because 0 factorial is what? Is 1. So, and is what? 1. So 1 factorial is 1. So 2 factorial is 2 times 1 times 0 factorial, which is equal to what? 2. Is that clear now? So 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. Let's just stop at 1. So you see now, factorial means multiplying backward. So you multiply it what? Backward. So 3 times 2 is 6, times 1 is what? Also 6. So and so on. So using this knowledge, we are going to apply it here for these questions. Now, number 1 says 7 factorial over 3 factorial 4 factorial. Now, what are we going to do? 7 factorial is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial. Now, the reason why we are stopping at 4 factorial is because you check this. You see now that 7 factorial is more than 3 and 4, right? That means that in 7 factorial, we can find 3 factorial and 4 factorial there, right? Yes. So 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial, because 4 factorial is the same thing as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Is that clear now? So, and don't forget that we can find 4 factorial in 7 factorial. So that's why we stop here. Over 3 factorial 4 factorial, so that this and this can cancel each other. So if this cancels this, then we are left with 7 times 6 times 5, right? Yes. Over, what is 3 factorial? 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. Is that clear now? So 7 times 6 times 5 over 3 times 2 times 1 is what? 6, right? So if this cancels this, so 7 times 5 is what? Is 35. That's the answer. Is that clear now? So you can press the calculator and times, then you times this, you write it down. You times this, you write it down, then you divide. You should get this. Is that clear now? Yes. So whenever you are given a question like this is how you are going to solve it. Very, very important. Let's solve for number 2. Let's solve for number 2. Number 2 says 8 factorial over 5 factorial. If you check this, you know that we can find 5 factorial in 8 factorial, because this 8 factorial also contains 5 factorial. Like, for example, you know that 8 factorial is 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. Is that clear now? So instead of writing it like this, instead of wasting time and saying 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. You see now? So instead of doing it like this and start cancelling one after the other, it will just waste our time. It will waste our time. You see now? So instead of doing it like this, why can't we just stop at 5 factorial? Since we have 5 factorial here. Is that clear now? So since we have 5 factorial here and it's here, so let's stop at 5 factorial. So over 5 factorial, so that peacefully this and this can cancel each other. So you have 8 times 7 times 6. 8 times 7 times 6. You have 8 times 7 times 6. So you have 336. So our answer Our answer is 336. That's the answer. So if you really enjoyed this video, please do well to like, comment and share. Subscribe also for more video. Thank you. God bless you.